Hey everybody, it's our 5-year business anniversary this month at Thompson Guitar and Thrift. And to celebrate, we have made another one of our popular digital downloads.
Dun, 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 dun. This one is a trigonometric guide to metric guitar screws.
That's right. It's a lot of very useful information about all the different types of guitar screws that you'll need. And you'll find all of these screws at Thompson Guitar and Thrift.
Everything you need to know about screwing. Metric screws for guitars, right here. And then also, okay, this prints great at 8.5 by 11, just so for like a great workbench guide. And then you can also send it to your Kinkos and have them do it at 18 by 24 if you want a big poster. So get this new one, and then don't forget, we've got a couple others out there already. Pickups, awesome. Capacitors, so much great knowledge on there.
Yeah.
And our most popular, probably was our first one, potentiometers. Lots of detail about all the different guitar parts you will put in a guitar. So.
That's right. So go get them for free at ThompsonGuitarandThrift.com.
Thanks, guys.